Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rolling cart is probably one of the most versatile storage solutions you can find. These carts are perfect for maximizing space in tight areas, offering a blend of functionality and mobility. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, bathroom, office, or craft room, a narrow rolling storage cart can be a game changer, providing easy access to your essentials while keeping everything tidy and within reach. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER 3-Tier Rolling Cart. This slim rolling cart is designed to fit perfectly in those tight spots around your home. It offers 3 tiers of storage, and the shelves are removable, so you can customize the space to fit your needs. The cart has 4 wheels that rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to move around on most surfaces. 2 of the wheels lock, so you can keep it in place, reducing the risk of tipping. Made from waterproof PP plastic, this cart is built to last, even in damp environments. The hollow design prevents water from pooling, and it's easy to clean with just a wipe. This cart is perfect for lightweight items and fits well in small spaces. You can hang items on the side hoops, and the high-walled baskets keep your items secure. Setting up this cart is a breeze, with no tools required. The simple design ensures it will last, and the whole process takes just minutes to complete. What we like? This cart features removable shelves, offering customizable storage. It's also designed for enhanced stability with lockable wheels. If you have a need for adaptable storage in damp environments like bathrooms or laundry rooms, this is a great choice. The easy-to-clean design makes it perfect for keeping things tidy. What people say? Size is perfect for all of my hair products lotions. Sturdy build and easy to assemble. Can roll around so it is easy to clean the floor below it. Rolls around pretty smooth as well. Perfect for the space between my fridge and the wall to organize and hide cleaning products. It's sturdier than I thought it would be, as well, and the wheels roll without issue. Great space-saving buy for anyone looking to optimize limited space. Holds everything, lightweight, easy to move and looks good. Rolls out of the way, plastic is good for holding shampoo and conditioner. Number 4. SPACEKEEPER 4-Tier Slim Rolling Storage Cart. This slim storage cart features a 4-tier design, perfect for maximizing space in tight areas. It's ideal for closets, kitchens, bathrooms, and more, providing versatile storage solutions throughout your home. Equipped with 4 easy glide wheels, this cart moves smoothly in and out of narrow spaces. 2 wheels have brakes, ensuring stability when you need it to stay in place. Made from durable plastic, this shelving unit is built to last. Assembly is quick and easy with a simple snap-together design, and it's easy to care for. The plastic surface seamlessly integrates with any decor, making it suitable for various settings. Use it in offices, mailrooms, classrooms, or even dorm rooms. Customize the cart to fit your needs. You can adjust it to have 2 or 3 shelves, perfect for countertops in bathrooms or kitchens. What we like? This product offers a 4-tier design, maximizing storage in tight spaces. It also includes side hoops for added storage options. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to organize your bathroom or kitchen essentials, this cart is a great solution. The easy installation makes it a convenient choice. What people say? It is the perfect size, super easy to assemble and great for all kinds of storage. It can be used as one piece, but I loved that I could use it as 2 shelves. Sturdy, comes with wheels that can be added as well as clips to hang things on. Number 3. YAMAZAKI Tower Rolling Slim Storage Cart, Black. Need extra storage? This rolling cart is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. The casters make it easy to move and store when you're done using it. The modern design complements any home decor. Made of metal, steel, and wood, it's a stylish and practical space saver. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your home. This 3-tiered cart is tall and narrow, perfect for tight spaces. Keep the shelves stocked for easy access. A convenient handle makes it easy to slide out. The cart measures 18.7 by 5.1 by 31.7 inches. It's available in black and white. The bottom shelf holds up to 6 kilograms, the middle 3 kilograms, the top 2 kilograms, and the top board 1 kilogram. YAMAZAKI brings thoughtful design to everyday items. The brand focuses on simplicity, practicality, quality, and space-saving solutions. This product embodies those principles. What we like. This cart boasts a modern design that complements any home decor. It comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. If you like a sleek, ready-to-use storage solution for your kitchen or bathroom, this is the one. The handle makes it easy to maneuver. What people say. Fits all my spices perfectly, including my big Costco ones, and a few of my oils and vinegars. I filled the bottom shelf with olive oil and bottles of water, and tada! The right weight distribution made a huge difference in stabilizing this little guy. It's a great addition and I keep my spices on this trolley. The body is made of metal and the top is of wood. Number 2. SONGMICS Slim 3-Tier Rolling Cart with Hooks. Need extra storage but short on space? This slim cart is the perfect solution. It fits perfectly in narrow areas like kitchens and bathrooms, helping you stay organized. This utility cart comes with 6 adjustable hooks. You can hang kitchen towels or other essentials, keeping them within easy reach. Built to last, this cart features a strong steel frame. It can hold up to 33 pounds, providing a reliable storage solution. With its 360-degree swivel wheels, it moves effortlessly. 2 lockable wheels keep it securely in place when you need it. The cart offers 3 baskets for ample storage. They can also be used separately on countertops or in cabinets, providing flexible storage options. What we like. This cart is designed to optimize small spaces, making it perfect for narrow areas. It also includes removable hooks for added convenience. If you are looking for a reliable and space-saving storage solution for your kitchen or bathroom, this is a great choice. The sturdy construction ensures it will last. What people say. I wanted a narrow cart on wheels, but not one as narrow as most bathroom carts are. This cart needed to be narrow enough to hold supplies in my small home office. It's not wobbly and provides good storage without things falling off. I like how small it is so I can fit it in my utility closet where the door actually shuts. Number 1. VASAGLE 5-Tier Slim Rolling Cart. Tired of wasted space? This slim rolling cart is designed to fit into those tight spots. It's perfect for maximizing storage in your kitchen, dining room, or any room. With 5 tiers, this cart offers plenty of storage. You can organize your spices, snacks, or anything else you need to keep within reach. It's a great way to stay organized. Built with a robust steel frame and quality particle board, this cart is made to last. You can rely on it to hold your items securely for years to come. It's a durable storage solution. Need to move your storage? This cart features a convenient handle and 360-degree swivel casters. It glides effortlessly wherever you need it. Moving it is a breeze. Don't worry about complicated setups. This cart comes with numbered parts and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have it assembled in no time. It's simple and straightforward. What we like. This cart features a 5-tier design, providing ample storage in a narrow profile. It's also easy to move around with its handle and swivel casters. If you are looking for a storage solution that fits in tight spaces and is easy to maneuver, this is the perfect option. Its design maximizes storage efficiency. What people say. It's lightweight but sturdy. The wheels make it easy to roll the rack around my kitchen with ease. The top shelf is topped with a flat board. I use it to sit the spices on as I use them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.